Ah, retirement. The golden years where time finally becomes your friend. But who says it must be all afternoon teas and early bedtimes? Not me. I'm here to show you how a retired old chap like myself transformed a dusty garage into a DIY haven. You see, woodworking and metalwork aren't just pastimes, they're a way to keep the mind sharp and the body active. When I first looked at my cluttered garage, filled with years of forgotten projects and holiday decorations, I saw potential. Potential that could be unlocked with a bit of creativity and a lot of elbow grease. First step? Clearing out the old to make room for the new. It was like setting the stage for a grand performance. I donated what I could, recycled what was possible, and organised the rest. Then the real fun began. I installed a sturdy workbench, the heart of any good workshop. Here I could hammer, saw and dream to my heart's content. Above it I hung bright LED lights because, let's face it, my eyes aren't what they used to be. Next came the tools. Oh, the tools. Each one had a specific place on my custom pegboard. This organisation wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about efficiency and safety. No more rummaging through drawers for a missing screwdriver. And then the projects began. From birdhouses that made the local sparrows sing with joy to a bespoke metal gate that would make any blacksmith nod in approval, my garage turned into a sanctuary of creation. Each project added more character to this little workshop, and bit by bit it transformed into a DIY haven. But what truly makes this space special is the freedom it represents. Freedom to make mistakes, to learn new skills, and to pass on these crafts to my grandchildren who love to visit and create alongside me. So, if you're sitting there thinking your garage is just a place to park your car, think again. With a bit of imagination and effort, who knows what incredible space you could create? Remember, it's never too late to start something new and exciting. Here's to the DIY spirit in all of us. Cheers!
Many thanks for watching. Please like and comment, as it will help my channel get to a wider audience. Please also subscribe so you can be notified when I publish new content. Bye for now.